We're looking at a very large folding map of the American West, which appears at the rear of a guidebook, so to speak. That is a traveler's guide printed in 1865 for miners visiting out west, people that wanted to go mining. The title of the map, in fact, even notes that gold mines are named and shown, such as here are gold mines, and I noticed they're all over the place. Gold mines there, there, up here, and there's others as well. There's some over here, and they're there, and here. Yes, gold mines over here. So this was issued as a map to accompany a book for people that wanted to emigrate west in the United States. This map appears at the rear of this volume right here. It's worth pointing out that this map, because of its size and the paper it's on, has a tendency to be in poor condition. This one's not bad at all. There is some loss along this left edge over here where the map was pasted in to the rear of the book. And it's worth pointing out that those sections are still right here in this book. So what's lacking on the sheet, the map sheet, is actually still pasted right in to the rear paste down of the end paper. So if someone wanted, they could join these two back up. This book is in period publishers decorated cloth with gilt lettering on the spine. It's a patterned cloth like so. Wheat and Brune discusses this map. This work is in Howe's, USiana, and other important reference sources. It's the Miner's and Traveler's Guide to Oregon, Washington, Colorado, and so on. General map. It's this one. This map is often lacking in this book, prepared by Captain John Mullan. And this is the first edition. It may well be the only edition. And we see here Indians along the route, Catholic missions, mineral wealth, building materials, the climate, so on. And like this, I did notice within the text there appears to be one leaf here, yes, where someone has trimmed something at the bottom. I don't know what it was, but it has been trimmed away. So, that's the way the book survives. But other than that, it is a very acceptable and pleasing example, in fact, of this large lithographed map with original hand color. And this pair is available now online from me, Brian DiMambro.